In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record other income in your accounting software. Getting this right helps your books stay accurate, your reports stay clean, and your tax time a lot less stressful. We'll move through each action clearly so you can follow along with confidence. To begin, click on Create New. This opens a fresh transaction window where you'll enter the details of the money you received. From here, choose Other Income. This option is meant for revenue that isn't part of your primary sales, like a refund from a vendor, bank interest, a rebate, or a one-off credit. Selecting the correct type helps your reports tell a truthful story about how your business earns money. Next, choose a source. This is simply identifying where the funds came from. Pick the description that best matches the transaction, so you can quickly trace it later. Clear sourcing makes it much easier to explain the entry if you, your bookkeeper, or your auditor reviews it down the road. Now click on Categorize under. This is where you assign the income to the right account in your chart of accounts. Choose the category that most accurately reflects the nature of the income, such as miscellaneous income, interest income, or other operating income. Proper categorization affects how your profit and loss statement looks, which can influence decisions and tax treatment. So take a moment here to be precise. Type an amount, enter the exact figure you received, and double check the decimal places and currency if your system supports multiple currencies. A quick review now prevents reconciliation headaches later. After that, choose a date. Use the date the money hit your account or the date you want the income to be recognized. Consistency is key. Follow the same approach each time so your reporting periods remain accurate. If applicable, include a tax. Only add tax if your local rules require it for this kind of income. If you do need tax, select the correct rate from the list so your totals and returns stay correct. If you're unsure, it's safer to leave it off and confirm later with a professional. Choose a payment method. Select how the money arrived, such as bank transfer, cash, credit card, or check. If your software lets you pick a specific bank account, choose the one the funds actually landed in to keep your reconciliation smooth. When everything looks right, click Save. Your other income is now recorded. If you spot a typo or picked the wrong category, you can usually edit the entry afterward. And that's all there is to it.